Ever wondered about the people leading the charge in the fintech world? Today, we're focusing on a key player in the payment industry, Lemonway. A pan-European payment institution, Lemonway provides payment processing, wallet management, and third-party payment services for marketplaces and crowdfunding platforms. They've become a go-to solution for a secure and regulated framework for online transactions. So, with a company that handles such complex and important financial flows, the question naturally arises, who is the person at the helm? The current CEO of Lemonway is Antoine Orsini. He's also one of the co-founders of the company. Orsini has been a driving force behind Lemonway's growth, helping it to become a leader in its field, trusted by hundreds of platforms across Europe. He and his co-founder, Damien Germanprez, established the company back in 2007. Initially, they set out to simplify payment flows for marketplaces and crowdfunding platforms. That vision has guided the company's evolution, with Orsini eventually taking on the CEO role. Since then, he's overseen major milestones, including significant fundraising rounds and international expansion. Under Orsini's leadership, Lemonway has continued to grow and adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. They've secured key partnerships and are recognized as a major player in the European fintech scene, even making it onto the French Tech 120 list. So, the next time you hear about a successful European marketplace, there's a good chance Lemonway and its CEO, Antoine Orsini, are a part of that story.